Hey, what's up guys? Today I wanted to do a quick review video of this very dirty mini waffle maker. So as you can see, this has gotten lots of use in this house. It's nice and greasy. I should probably clean it a little bit better, but who has the time? Anyways, how cute is this? So, you know, obviously my hand is hand size, it's not huge, but it's like they fit, it's the perfect size, like for real. It's so cute, it's the best. I've never had any problem with it. It has a really nice, decently long cord. It works really, really well. The light, you know, goes off when it's ready. You pour your batter in. I like to put a little butter, pour your batter in, close the lid, light goes off. When the steam stops, you know, that's when it's done. I like to leave mine on a little bit longer to make it a little bit crispier, but honestly, this thing is like the best waffle maker, best mini waffle maker I've ever had. It's made by Dash. It's just cute and perfect and works really well. So if you're in the market for a mini waffle maker, you could probably even like travel with this thing. Take it camping, plug it into your car. It works great. So check it out.